Good morning, children. Today I am taking English language. 2 days we have done English literature. So now today I will do English language with you all. And today's chapter is lesson number 4, question words. Okay. Who and what? Who is this? Who is this? What is this? Okay. We use who to ask question about people. Understood? We use who to ask question about people. Example, who is that? So the answer can be, that is my sister Khushi, or that is my brother. We use what to ask question about things. You know the difference now? Who and what. Who is to ask question about people, and what is to ask question about things. Example, what is that? That is a dictionary. Okay. Who are you calling? I am calling Rama. What are you watching? I am watching an old film. So like this we have to do this. Okay. Read these sentences and write their question words. One has been done for you. So A, they are my teachers. Who? Who are your teachers? Like B, it is a window. What? Right? Like you can ask, what is that? So it is a window. C, this is my brother. Who? Similarly over here you have to do the same. Okay, I have done it for you, so you have to do this in the book itself. So now the second one is saying, rearrange the words to form question. Put a question mark at the end of each questions. One has been done for you. This is an example. A, your who favorite teacher is. So how we'll make this in a straight question? Who is your favorite teacher? And we'll put question mark. B, your is what mom's name? So what will write? What is your mom's name? Question mark. C, best friend your is who? Who is your best friend? D, do what eat for breakfast? You. What do you eat for breakfast? Question mark. E, got you in your bag have what? So we'll write, what have you got in your bag? Question mark. Don't forget to put the question mark. F, who you travel to school with do. Who do you travel to school with? Question mark. So this you have to write like this in your English language book. So similarly over here it is written Jayant, John, Tina, Ivy and Sunny. So these are the name of the children. Which is Jayant, the boy in the picture t-shirt? So Jayant is who is wearing a blue t-shirt. Okay. Which is Sunny, the boy in the striped t-shirt? He is wearing a striped t-shirt. Which is John, the boy hanging upside down? You see this boy? He is hanging upside down. He is John. Which is Ivy, the girl with brown hair? You see Ivy, she has got brown hair. Which is Tina, the girl in the pink blouse? She is wearing a pink blouse. Okay, so that's why it's written Jayant, John, Tina, ivy and sun. So over here we have to, this is only an example. We use where to ask question about places. Example, where is your school? So the answer will be, my school is in Mirabai Road. Where do you live? I live in Durgapur. Fifth question, look at the picture, write question for each of the sentence given below. One has been done for you. Where where are the books? Question mark. So the answer is written, the books are on the shelf. You can see over here, the books are on the shelf, kept in the shelf. B, where is the lamp? We are asking question, na? So we'll put question mark. The lamp is on the table. You can see over here, the lamp is on the table. C, where is the teddy bear? So answer is, the teddy bear is on the bed. Okay, you can see the teddy bear, it is on the bed. So like this you have to write. Next is, we use when to ask question about time. Okay, example, when is your birthday? So the answer is, my birthday is on 7th August. When does Tina study? Tina studies at 7 p.m. So the question is written over here. Sixth, write the question for each of the sentence given below. So we have to write the question because these are the answers. So the answer says, we went to the fair last evening. So the question will be, when did you go for the fair? B, Reema's birthday is on 7th June. When is Reema's birthday? Question mark. C, I am leaving for the airport tonight. So the question will be, when are you leaving for the airport? D, Sam takes his son to the park every Sunday. When does Sam takes his son to the park? Question mark. So now this is 7. Match the question in column A with their answer in column B. A, where is the bird? Okay, it is in the nest. B, what do you want for lunch? I want a burger. C, who are you talking to? My sister. D, when does school reopen? Next week. E, which one is your dog? The brown one. So this everything you have to do it in your book itself. So today we will do it till here. Okay, the next page I will discuss tomorrow, day after, sorry, right? So you do this work. Thank you, children.